Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see that the price is currently trading at around 119.35. okay, and once if you look at this chart, what we can see a strong support coming at around 114.90. okay, $114.90. okay, and once this support, if it didn't sustain this level, if it comes close to this level also, we can see a bounce back from this level, because we have not seen a bounce back. And I have already told you that if something hit like this and comes to a support, then we can see a more upside movement, okay, which is already we have seen that it has already made a low of around 111.35 and now it has trading at around 19.29 now. okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 120.22. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. So please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. See, if you look at the chart closely, what we can see, suppose if this price sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 120.28, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 121.63. and once this level sustain upside, then we can see a probability of going towards a level of 128.40 will be there. And once this level goes upside, then we can see a probability of touching further high towards a level of 135.18, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 144.20. okay, now if that level also goes upside, then we can see a probability of touching 147 will be there, but it has to sustain above a level of $135. Now what we can do, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further down and can touch a level of 114.86, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 112.61. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 111.70. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 110.35, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 107.64, and if that also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 100.42, and once if it goes below this 100.42, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 98.16. okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 93.20. okay, once if it goes below a level of 93.20, then we can see it can touch a level of 89.14, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 85.07. okay, suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 77.40, and from there we can see a level of 75.14, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 66 also. But now understand something, if you are trailing, that means if you are trading upside, you have to understand 114 is a strong support. If this breaks, then we can see a probability of touching 108.54, and from there a level of 100.87, and then if that also didn't sustain, then a probability of touching 93.20, and then we can see it can move to a level of 85 and then 77. okay, this is what we can see looking at the charts. Now if you are trading, you have to understand trading is risky, and if you are trading, well, I do a workshop in trading where I teach that if you are trading with suppose $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital, that is 1000 to 1500, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100. Suppose if you take 5 trades also and all 5 trades are wrong, then you know your risk will be $500 max. So you can stop trading for the day, and the next day you can trade again. Now you are more relaxed compared to if you have $5,000. so if you lose $500, then you will focus more on profit rather than recovering this particular amount. okay, this is what I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these problems and how to strategize your trades. okay, if you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.